Hello everyone. Today we are looking after the chapter average. When I talk about average, now the first question arises that what is average? When we say a term average, it is basically the addition of all the terms divided by the number of terms. When I am saying addition of all the terms, this can also be written as summation x. And when I am saying the number of terms, it is upon n. So average is basically to find out that if there are two informations which are there for a group of members. Suppose in a class there are 6 boys and they have the marks like 18, 17, 16, 14, 15 and 13. These are the marks out of 20. And there are 4 girls. And their marks are 19, 16, 13, 12 and again this is out of 20. And we have to find out that whether the boys are the better performers or the girls are the better performers. So we cannot say that here the maximum marks are 19 and here the maximum marks are 18. That means girls are the better performers. Or the least marks are 12 and here the least marks are 13. That is why girls are the bad performers in comparison of the two. So what we have to do is we have to add all the 6 terms here. So 18 plus 17 plus 16, we can write it like this. And then divided by the number of terms, and there are 6 boys, so these are the scores for 6 boys upon 6. Here we are doing 19 plus 16 plus 30 plus 12 and divided by, here the number of girls are 4, so it is divided by 4. If we add all these values and divide by 6, then it will come out to be 15.5. Or I can say here the total sum comes out to be 93 and 93 divided by 6 comes out to be 15.5. When we talk about this, then this addition comes out to be, so 19 plus 16, 35 plus 25 comes out to be 60 upon 4 which comes out to be 15. So I am saying when the total sum of 6 boys marks is 93 and when we divide it by 6 it comes out to be 15.5. Whereas in the case of girls the total marks are 60, when divided by 4 comes out to be 15, means the boys' performance is better than the girls' performance. So boys' performance is better than the girls' performance. So we are comparing the two data which have more than one individual in it. Now we can look at another example. Suppose there are 2 players, one is Tendulkar and another is Sehwag. Now if I am saying that the Tendulkar total scores 1200 runs, whereas Sehwag total scores 700 runs. So who is the better player? Now I know that 1200 runs he is not scoring in one match. Definitely, suppose in the first match he scores 10, then 70, then so on and so on and so on, and there is a total of 1200 marks which he has scored. But these 1200 marks he is scoring in 20 matches. So we are saying 1200 runs divided by 20 matches, or the total comes out to be 60 runs per match. It is 60 runs per match he is scoring. Whereas Sehwag, who has scored 700 runs, maybe in the first match 10, 70 and so on, but the total number of matches he played are 10. So here I am dividing this by 10 and I am saying he is scoring 70 runs per match. Now he is scoring 60 runs per match while he is scoring 70 runs per match. It means the average runs scored per match by Sehwag is better than that of Tendulkar. Because here I am dividing by 10 the total number of total matches and here I am dividing by 20 the total number of matches played by Tendulkar. So basically when there are more than one information given for two different categories, and we have to compare these two categories, then we have to find out the averages. And this is a very important chapter further in classes. We can another say one thing, that this average is also known as arithmetic mean. When we are saying arithmetic mean, this can also be analyzed visually. Now, how we can analyze the things visually is, suppose out of these 6 terms, I am saying that the average is 15. Suppose I am taking the average to be 15. Now, I know that this is 3 more than 15. This value is 2 more than 15. This value is 1 more than 15. This value is 2 less than 15. 1 less than 15. This value is equal to 15 or 0 difference, and this value is 2 less than 15. Now, this minus 1 or plus 1 can be interchanged, or one value we are giving from this to this. Same way, 2 values I am giving from this to this. So, the total comes out to be 15 plus. There is a score of 3 which is extra score, which has to be divided into 6 innings equally. These are 6 boys equally. So, it comes out to be 3 upon 6, which is can be said as 15.5. Here also I am saying that if I suppose 15 as the average, now this has plus 4, this has plus 1, this has minus 2, and this has minus 3. Now the plus of 5 and the minus of 5 can be interchanged, and the average comes out to be 15 itself. So this is the correct answer. So we can visualize, or we can say the equal distribution of number to all the girls or all the boys or all the respective category. Same way, suppose I am saying there are 20 matches, so if in every match he is scoring 60 marks, then also the total comes out to be 1200. Same is the case with 700. So we can say the equal distribution of numbers is also considered to be the average. Thank you.